Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from one of my favorite brands at the moment, Christopher Ward. Thanks, Andrew, for sending me this watch to test out for a couple of weeks and then send it back. So, this is the, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Christopher Ward watch that I have on my channel. And I have to say, till now the 12 was, of course, the highlight, but I think this one should also be a very cool one. So this is the Bronze C60 Pro 300, and it's a bronze diver in a 42 millimeter diameter. So let me first take this off. Here we go, and wow, really nice. I really like the brown dial color with the bronze case. Looks really nice. Awesome bezel action. So let's start by specification. So the specifications are as follows: 42 millimeters in diameter, 50 lug to lug, 12 thickness, and lug width of 22 millimeter. So we have a, as you can see, bronze case, ceramic bezel, sunburst. It's kind of sunbursted brown dial, some text, chronometer, 300 meters, and Swiss made. So if we look at the back, that's the chronometer Silita SW200 movement with the Elaboré on the rotor. As you can see, well decorated movement, 26 joules. Just has to maybe clean it a bit. 26 joules, 38 hours power reserve, excellent workhorse movement. Christopher Ward logo on the crown, which is, as you'd expect, a screw down crown from a 300 meters water resistant watch. So first position is the date, second position and final one is time setting. So as you can see, you can switch between, let me do it like this, so it's 10:10. Lume, we have lume on the pips, the lume indices and the hands. Not sure. Yeah, the bezel as well. As you can see, the bezel also has lume. I'll make a lume video. As per new videos now, I make a short video for all the watches that includes a 10-minute lume test. So be sure to check out that on my shorts. Also, if you're not subscribed, because most of the people watching this video are not subscribed, I really urge you to do so, because it helps the channel a lot. It's just a couple of clicks on your side, and hopefully it allows me to make better content for everybody. The de-stressed leather strap I really like, very supple, very the material feels really nice, as you can see. Italian vintage oak leather. The de-stressed look gives the really nice shape. I'm wearing my other diver here, the Tissot. And let me put this on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so you would know how it will look like. Sorry about this bandage, but injured my the tendons of my finger a couple of weeks ago now, and it's just been a long time to recover. Most probably it will not recover because the band is just broke. So let's see, hopefully it will hurt less in the future. From this side, I think it does look really nice on this strap. I don't know if I would put it on another strap, because it just goes really well with the strap and the buckle. So I don't know if I have anything that might suit it as well. So you get with the watch also like booklets like this. You have also the blue version, as you can see. This one costs 1,400 euros. I'll be testing it out for the next couple of weeks, and then I will be making a full review in a couple of weeks, so be sure to check that out. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. You'll find the subscription button here, and you'll find 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.